Okay, we're talking about order of operations, and we know the phrase PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division are on the same level, we just go from left to right. Addition and subtraction are on the same level, and we just go from left to right. So here, number one, we look, and there are no parentheses, but we have an exponent, so we do that first. 48 divided by 2 to the third power is 8 times 3 plus 5. Multiplication and division are on the same level, just go from left to right. So 48 divided by 8 is 6 times 3 plus 5. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 5 is 23. Here we have a fraction. We're going to think of the top and bottom as separate. No parentheses, but we have an exponent. 2 to the 5th is 32. 32 minus 6 times 2. On the bottom, 3 to the 3rd is 8. I'm sorry, not 8. 27 minus 5 times 3 minus 2. So on the top, we go over to the multiplication. 32 minus 12. On the bottom, we go over to the multiplication. 27 minus 15 minus 2. So on the top we get 20, on the bottom 27. 27 minus 15 is 12 minus 2. 20 over 10, which we can simplify to 2. Number 3, we are going to evaluate, meaning we're going to put in these numbers for these variables. So we have x squared, so that's 4 squared minus y, which is 3. Plus z squared, which is 2. Still using order of operations, we go to parentheses. Within the parentheses, we have an exponent. So 16 minus 3 plus 2 squared. In the parentheses still, so 13 plus 2 squared. Now over to that exponent, 13 plus 4, and add 17. Okay, again, we're going to put in these values for these variables, so I'm going to rewrite it with those values. 3 times 4 squared plus the sum of 2 times 5 plus 3 cubed. So we go inside the parentheses over to that exponent. 3 times 4 squared plus 2 times 5 plus 3 cubed is 27. Now within the parentheses, we're going to do that multiplication. 3 times 4 squared plus 10 plus 27. We have to do that parentheses. Now we go over to this exponent, which is 16. Multiply and add. 85. Over here we have A, B, and C, what they're equal to, so I'm going to fill those in this one. So 2 squared times the sum of 3 times 6 plus 5 divided by 4. Okay, so we go in parentheses to this one. So 2 squared multiplication, 18 plus 5 divided by 4. Still working in the parentheses. 2 squared times 23 divided by 4. And then exponent, 4 times 23 divided by 4. Multiplication first, since left to right, that's 2 on up there, 92 divided by 4. Division makes that 23. All right, here we have D, F, and G. I'm going to fill those in. 5 times 4 plus the difference of 6 times 3 and 12. So parentheses, multiplication within the parentheses first. Now go back to that parentheses and do the subtraction. Multiplication now, and addition. A lot of places that we can make a little mistake. We want to get the right answer, so follow those orders of operations. Have a great day.